Ever stepped into a bathroom so lavish it felt like a boutique spa, only to realize the entire footprint was smaller than a walk-in closet? It's no magic trick, just clever tile layouts, strategic lighting, and a few shower innovations. Today I'm revealing the secrets that turn cramped bathrooms into jaw-dropping retreats, all without demolishing walls or draining wallets. Buckle up, because by the end you'll know how a genuine 5-star vibe can flourish behind a perfectly ordinary door. First, let's set the tone with this season's most coveted statement: matte marble-look porcelain tiles. These surfaces channel Italian calicatta yet shrug off stains and humidity, making them ideal for steamy climates and hectic households. Spread large format slabs across the floor, then contrast them with lean herringbone planks climbing the walls. The subtle pattern shift adds depth while staying easy to wipe down. This mix-and-match formula delivers couture atmosphere on a refreshingly obtainable budget. Color sits next on our canvas, and 2025's palette leans toward grounded neutrals. The soft taupes of driftwood, the misty grays of coastal dawn, and the faint blush of rose quartz. Tiles glazed in these hushed tones let fixtures and art breathe without overwhelming limited square footage. If your heart craves drama, introduce a single accent strip in matte black or burnished gold to frame the shower niche, instantly guiding attention upward. Speaking of niches, functional architecture doubles as decor when planned with intention. Recessed shelves tiled in contrasting mosaics store toiletries while breaking up expansive wall surfaces. In small bathrooms, position two vertical niches on opposing corners. The symmetry widens perception and the shimmering glass inserts bounce light to create an airy atmosphere. Finish each niche with a slim metal edge trim for bakery case crispness, proving that practical details can feel unmistakably indulgent. Lighting plays the unsung hero. Rather than relying on a single overhead fixture, slip waterproof LED profiles behind floating tile edges and under vanity lips. The soft halo eliminates harsh shadows, highlights grout artistry, and doubles as a nightlight during midnight visits. Choose warm white temperatures to flatter skin tones and polish metallic finishes. Renters can mimic the glow with peel and stick battery strips, achieving ambience without drilling a single hole. Now let's tackle shower floors. Microhex mosaics are trending, not only for their vintage charm but also for serious slip resistance. Select grout tinted to match the tile body for a seamless, carpet-like effect, or contrast boldly for graphic pop. A linear drain positioned along the rear wall keeps the pattern uninterrupted, while under-tile heat mats add a spa-level surprise that chases morning chill and speeds drying, preserving both comfort and cleanliness. Space optimization often begins at the threshold, or more accurately with its elimination. A curbless shower visually extends the floor plane, making even the tightest bathroom feel twice its size. Thanks to modern waterproof membranes, barrier-free entry is less labor-intensive than ever. Where plumbing restrictions exist, build a low-profile curb, then wrap it in the same tile as the floor to beautifully preserve the illusion of continuity while satisfying code requirements. Ready to add drama without dark paint? Go vertical. While horizontal subway layouts widen rooms, stacking tiles upright exaggerates height, crucial when ceilings hover below 8 feet. Choose elongated rectangles, perhaps 2 by 10 inches, and align them soldier-style from floor to ceiling. The uninterrupted lines draw the gaze skyward, transforming cramped quarters into lofty sanctuaries. Accent the top row with a metallic Schluter strip to punctuate the ascent like an understated crown. Texture layering distinguishes high-end projects from cookie-cutter installs. Wrap the lower half of the wall in velvet finish ceramic, then switch to glossy glazed tiles above chair rail height. The tactile contrast feels decadent, and the reflective upper surface bounces daylight deeper into the space. Seal the transition with a slim brushed brass trim that resembles fine jewelry. Finish the look with coordinating brass valve controls to reinforce the material story from every angle.